Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick little tutorial. This is not the same tutorial that Nicole did. If you want to know how to make this exact little Royal Airlines suitcase, I will link down Nicole's YouTube video, step-by-step process on how to do it. But while I was assembling it, I was thinking of other ways to assemble it and maybe alter it a little bit. So I hope that it works and I'm going to jump right into it. So with either tutorial, you're going to need to cut this out once, comes with two. And you're going to need to cut this base out for the top and the lid. So choose your colors accordingly. So two of these pieces, you can cut this out once, or if you don't use it, again, leave this piece on the inside so you don't have to paper piece all the letters like seen here. And then you just need to cut this out, which will be the base. So I picked a color. And then these will be like the little straps right here. These dog bone looking ones will be the straps right there. That's for this suitcase. And then you can also cut out these, which are like little brackets for the handle and stuff so it can move. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm just winging it. I have not made this yet. I just thought of it in my head. Okay, so first are these little, this is like how the sides of the suitcase are formed. And they normally come together right here with these two pieces like so that you can rip the suitcase open like this. Here's a piece, let me grab one. And I don't think a lot of people, happy mailers, are gonna wanna rip the package open just because I feel like when somebody hand makes something and it's so beautiful and stuff, they don't wanna destroy it. So I was like, okay, what's another way we could do this? So with leaving this intact, as you can see, I'm just ripping this open for video purposes. Oh, the box, sad, ripping it. And then your little suitcase opens up and they can get their goodies out, you know? Bittersweet, ripping it but getting the goodies. Okay, so this is what I thought. Get your base. Again, I'm working with art glitter glue because honestly, I can't even reach my adhesives. So I'm gonna start with, you know what? I'm gonna do colored on the inside because you don't see the bottom of the suit. For now, for this purpose. I'm gonna just start working with one side at a time because this glue, I mean, it doesn't dry like crazy fast, nothing like hot glue, you know. And make sure that your ripping part is at the top section. Okay, so I'm gonna work with the back piece and I'm just gonna line up the bottom on here. Oops. Little too far over. And with not with hot glue, with wet glue, you know, you have the ability to, you know, move along. Okay, so these little jagged teeth, you are going to crease everything on the score lines, including these teeth. I call them teeth. I don't know what they are, but it's so that you can easily round your paper. So I'm just like using my finger. As you can see right here, it's starting to take form of this, like the corner, you know. I'm gonna add a little bit more glue because I'm gonna keep going. So right now I'm just shaping and pushing down. Tutorial a little bit fast just so you guys can get the gist of it. I am, before I start doing the other piece, gonna cut this little tab off with scissors. Ta-da! Okay. Next is this one. I'm gonna work, remember the tabs do have to line up. I'm gonna cut the tab off though. Okay. And this piece you'll notice has two little glue tabs. I'm just gonna glue that real quick. I hope I'm in frame or it's like focused. Hold on, I need to glue the bottom. So I'm gonna glue this little bottom section where I know the tape is gonna go. Where the bottom. Okay, so your piece is the little tab that I just cut off. I'm gonna glue the bottom down and I'm just gonna butt it up right to that, the other piece. Just holding it down real quick so it'll stay a little bit. Okay, so before I start doing the corners, I did glue these two little tabs. I'm just gonna glue them inward and glue the two pieces. That's basically what it is. It's just gluing the two pieces together. Okay, now I'm gonna come over here and finish putting glue because I said I don't wanna glue it all at once because then my hand's getting in it. All sorts of hot mess express. So I'm just arching the paper to the corners. Okay, so now you see I'm getting the front of my suitcase. These are the tops. Okay, So now for this back piece, this is the lid of your suitcase. It's gonna go like this. So for this part, I made a little rectangle, and it's about 1.5 inches wide and a hair under 5 inches long. It's the exact same length as your lid. So I kind of just got my 1.5 inch rectangle, put it up to here, and then just snipped off the edge. I didn't really measure, you know. Okay, so you'll get your paper. Notice that you will not see this from the outside of the suitcase. This is gonna be a hinge. So I wanted to, when you open the suitcase, I want to be able to see some fun print, like pattern paper. So I'm going to do it on the inside. So this will be your back wall. And then this part will be the, part to the hinge. So I'm not going to cut any of this part off because it did come with the perforated edges that you fold in. So this bottom one will be the bottom, and this top one, as you can see, it's right here, I'm just going to butt this up inside of there. So I'm going to glue those together. My makeshift piece plus this one, like so. Let's line it up, line it up. You could kind of just smooth. Ooh, whoa, I just really crinkled that big time. My bad. Okay, so now I have, oops, it's upside down. This bottom part is going to go on the base of your suitcase. So I'm going to put the glue there. And then I'm going to put the glue on these 2 little tabs, creased tabs. And then I'm going to put some glue on this little skinny bottom. What are these called? Tabs? Hinges? What are these called? Score? Even though there's already glue on the bottom, I'm going to put it on there. So I'm just going to line it up on the edge. Looks good. So I'm going to glue on the inside. The hinges is on hiding. And then again on this side. I'm just creasing it, putting pressure, so it stays. Okay, so there's your back pieces on, and then you have your makeshift, hinge that I made. The original design does not have this, you guys, so you do not have to do this. You can watch Nicole's original design, So anyway, probably would have been easier if I glued it on prior to, yeah. Okay, oh well. So now I'm gonna put the top lid on. So it's gonna go like this. And I'm just going to flip it over so I can crease on it really good. Ta-da! Okay, so I'm going to crease this, fold this in so it's not bowing out and away from this part. So normally you would like glue everything down, and it is a little bit challenging trying to get all the pieces without being able to push in from the bottom because everything's already sealed up, So with this, these are the normal strap pieces. I'm just gonna, I guess, fold it down like in the original. I'm gonna arch it a little bit with my scissors. And what you can do right here, I'm just doing this like super makeshift right now. I was thinking like a handle. Let's see. Is this centered? No. Is put Velcro on this piece right here. I don't have access to Velcro, you guys. I'm just, like I said, I have not made this yet. So if you put Velcro on this little piece and then Velcro right here, I think that this will stay relatively shut. You just have to make sure it's not like bowed sticking out, So I'm just going to kind of crease it inwards so that I don't have those little, you could possibly even cut these pieces off, but I think it wouldn't shut right if you did that. Okay, so pretend I have my Velcro. It's hard to hold it. But if I had Velcro that was like not permanently, but like holding it down for me, you could see that it does shut. So there, and then you could get your goodies in and out without it, there we go. I can hold it down like that. Without having to rip it, and then it, you know, it never goes back together the same once you rip it, which is cute. Like Happy Meal, especially, you know, we don't have, you can like rip it open and take your stuff out. But if the box is super cute, then you're like, I don't want to rip it. So you could do this alternate route and Velcro it down, I think. And then decorate. Obviously, it's not going to look the same because I just used the strap right here. But you could probably put like straps on the side to still make it look suitcase-ish, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's my quick little winging it tutorial that I think could work out. Again, you could possibly cut the inside. I'm not sure how that would work. You guys got to test it out like I did. Or maybe even put straps on the side as well, like 3 straps, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here with Velcro. That's an option. All right. Bye guys, catch you on the next video.